If you're tired of bringing a fresh cup of coffee to work only to find it bland and lukewarm too soon, then an insulated tumbler might be exactly what you need. Because of their construction, which consists of double walls and a vacuum seal, these tumblers are perfect for when you're on the go and want to keep your beverage hot or ice cold for hours. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best insulated tumblers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Hydro Flask 22-ounce Insulated Tumbler Cup. Hydro Flask's tumbler cup does a great job on all fronts with its TempShield double-wall vacuum insulation. It can keep hot beverages warm for up to 6 hours with the lid and keeps beverages cold for up to 24 hours, something reviewers rave about. The design also prevents the tumbler from sweating, so there's no worrying about getting rings on your furniture. This tumbler is made of stainless steel and is BPA-free. It includes a splash-proof, though not leak-proof, lid that requires a simple press to secure shut. The narrow design is convenient for traveling because it easily fits in most cup holders. It's also easy to hold with its slip-free powder coating on its exterior. Number 2. Fellow Carter Everywhere Mug. If you're somewhat of a coffee snob, this 16-ounce mug elevates your coffee drinking experience exponentially. In place of a small, sippy opening, this mug has a wide mouth opening with a screw-on cap that allows the user to fully experience coffee and all its aromas. Plus, the opening is designed to fit the most popular manual brewing devices and all standard drippers. The interior ceramic coating prevents the metal taste you get with stainless steel, and the leak-proof seal locks liquids inside. It boasts a triple-walled vacuum seal, retaining heat for 12 hours and keeping drinks cold for 24 hours. Number 3. Corkcicle 12-ounce triple insulated stemless glass. If you're more interested in something that's suited for alcohol, look no further than the Corkcicle stemless wine cup. This 12-ounce stainless steel cup is the perfect size for wine, cocktails, sangria, and more. It comes in 3 stylish colors that reviewers love: turquoise, rose quartz, and white. Plus, it is triple insulated, ideal for both hot and cold drinks. It can keep drinks cold for up to 9 hours or hot for up to 3 hours. It's conveniently designed to look like a stemless wine glass, but comes with ergonomic flat sides and a non-slip silicone bottom to prevent sliding and spilling. Number 4. Ello Campy Stainless Steel Travel Mug. If style is as important as keeping your drink hot or cold for hours, then the cute Ello Campy travel mug could be just the tumbler for you. Its speckled pattern and cylindrical shape harkens back to enamel camp mugs and comes in several colors. While the body of the mug is a bit hard to hold because of its sleekness, the handle is lined with cork, which our tester likes because it provides cushioning for your hand. Plus, the lid is leak-proof and has an easy-to-use slider. Number 5. Tervis 16-ounce clear tumbler set. These 16-ounce clear tumblers will keep cold drinks cold while looking good at the same time. The shape is classic, with just enough embellishment to look a little bit special, and this is a 4-pack, so you've got enough glasses for the family. They are made in the USA and can be used for hot drinks as well as cold. These mugs are safe for the microwave if you need to heat or reheat a beverage, as well as the freezer, so you can, for example, freeze portions of fruit in each glass. Unlike some insulated glasses, they can be washed in the dishwasher, so cleaning is easy when the party is over. That was our list of the top 5 best insulated tumblers just for you.